Hi guys, my name is Danny. Today we're going to be reading a short story off the Thought Catalog, courtesy to Christine Stockton. She's the one who uploaded this, so give credit to her. I'm just doing the reading. We're going to react with you because I haven't read it yet. So, when I was a child, my family moved to a big old 2-floor house with big empty rooms and creaking floorboards. Both my parents worked, so I was often alone when I came home from school. One early evening when I came home the house was still dark. I called out, "Mom!" and I heard her sing-song voice say, "Yes?" from upstairs. I called her again as I climbed the stairs to see which room she was in. Again I got the same "Yes?" reply. We were decorating at the time, and I didn't know my way around the maze of the rooms, but she was in one of the far ones, right down the hall. I felt uneasy, but I figured that was only natural, so I rushed forward to see my mom, knowing that her presence would calm my fears, as a mother's presence always does. Just as I reached for the handle of the door to let myself into the room, I heard the front door downstairs open and my mother call, "Sweetie, are you home?" in a cheery voice. I jumped back, startled, and I ran down the stairs to her, but as I glanced back from the top of the stairs, the door to the room slowly opened a crack. For a brief moment I saw something strange in there, and I don't know what it was, but it was staring at me. Yeah, there you go.